mixer. Wait until the yeast is bubbling. Now to make the dough, we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 1/4 cups of flour, and salt. Now we have to check the mixer and wait for the dough to form, and then we'll add in the beet. Look at this pizza. Cover with a clean towel and wait until it's double in size. See you later. I'll get have sweet dreams. Look how pretty this dough is. It's so pink. With a clean towel and wait for it to rise. Bye. See you later, alligator. Have a great dream. The bread has finally come out of the oven. Look how big and beautiful it is. It looks so pink on the sides. Let's get cutting. Also, let's get jelly and peanut butter. Peanut butter again. Peanut butter again. Separate. Look at this bread. It has such a good color on the outside and such a warm, soft color on the inside. Now we're gonna cut them into heart shapes and make peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's get started.